I have completed the clinical research course from the Pharma Knowledge Center, which was done in the lockdown period. I want to thank Nishod Saxena sir for giving us a very good opportunity.
So I decided to invest my time. So I start a clinical research course from Pharma Knowledge Center. And now recently I clear a interview and get a job in clinical research coordinator in Vedant Hospital. So I am great thankful for that. Thank you. I would really recommend it all those who are interested in clinical research course, and also all those who got failed in their last semester, and because miracle happens in Pharma Knowledge Center. Thank you.
During my academic, I got to know about the Pharma Knowledge Center. During this lockdown period, we had online training for medical coding. After my successfully completion of my course, I got a job in CG Meditrans as a medical biller.
During my academic, I came to know about Pharma Knowledge Center. As the lockdown was going on, so we had online classes and provided all the materials which are needed. After completing my course, I got selected at AccuCode Healthcare Solutions. For this, I want to thank Nazneen ma'am for guiding me throughout this period, and thank you Pharma Knowledge Center.
I came to know about Pharma Knowledge Center in our college. As the lockdown is going on, we had online classes, and I got job in Intelligent Medical Billing Company. And even in this period, I have got a very good pay scale, and for this I am grateful to Pharma Knowledge Center. This wouldn't have been possible without them. Thank you, Pharma Knowledge Center.
I came to know about Pharma Knowledge Center. During this pandemic, Pharma Knowledge Center provided us to online lectures and trainings. And finally, the thing is, for what I am very happy, that I get finally job in Kitech company at the post of patient care pharmacist.
I came to know about this Pharma Knowledge Center, an amazing experience in this center, because एक तो as it was a COVID situation, so no one was providing the physical classes, right? So online classes होने वाला था, that they need to do the hard work to crack the interviews. So I did that, and as the Pharma Knowledge Center says, that it gives 100% of the placement, and it is true that they give. And I also cracked the interview, and right now I'm working in iFedora Solutions Private Limited, and my designation is in authorization medical oncology field.
So I came to know about this Pharma Knowledge Center, and I visited on the same day. So at day I got to meet with the most frank and most perfect sir, Nishod Saxena sir. He gave me knowledge of everything, about everything related, not only medical coding, but about he also advised me that what to do with a career in your ahead years.
So I found it in Google about Pharma Knowledge Center. They have given me 100% placement, and now I'm working in Fedora Healthcare Solutions, and I'm very glad to be a part of Pharma Knowledge Center. Thank you.
I heard about the medical coding from one of my friend, and after finding out the more detail from the social media and also counsel done by the Dr. Nishod Saxena sir, I came to know that it is quite emerging field, and then I decided to do this course. There is a great experience with Pharma Knowledge Center, and our tutor Miss Nazneen ma'am is a very supportive, and her teaching method is also an excellent.
I came to know about Pharma Knowledge Center at my college. In the pandemic situation, we had online classes daily, and they provide all the materials, assignments, and the basic informations. It was great experience with the faculty.